How do you answer? And this is probably happening to you, so make sure you stick with me on this. I get people sending me emails and DMs all the time saying, I've got a family member or a coworker or a neighbor that is incessantly on the left and is giving me a hard time about this policy, that policy, or the other one. They say that Medicaid, Medicare, and Social Security are all going to be cut. What do we do about that? Well, by the way, the answer is they are going to be cut. But does that hurt anybody? No. I'll tell you why. By the way, if you like what I lay down, make sure you're following. Or they'll say they're cutting 80,000 plus workers from the VA. That's going to be really, really bad care for veterans. Why does he want to do that? And how do you answer that? Are they cutting 80,000 plus from the VA? The answer is yes. Will it harm anybody? No. So let me explain it to you. This is how you answer. When somebody brings up Medicaid, Medicare, and Social Security, those are all great questions. Will there be cuts from those programs? Absolutely. Are they bad? No. Why aren't they bad? Because anybody who qualifies for Medicaid, Medicare, or Social Security will not be affected. Not even a little bit. The only people that are going to be cut or won't be getting it anymore are those who are scamming the system or are fraudulently getting money or they're 360 years old and on Social Security somehow. So getting rid of waste, fraud, and abuse is a good thing. Does that mean that the money going to those programs will be cut? Of course. You won't need as much money if you're only giving to qualified people. And how about employees at, let's say, the VA? Is that going to cause worse care? Well, no. Ask them this simple question and wait for an answer. How many employees would you like there to be at the VA? And wait for an answer. Really give me a number. Is it 100,000? Is it 1 million people? How many should work there? And their answer should be as many as it needs to get the job done, because we all agree on that. So if there are 450,000 employed there, just a number I'm grabbing, but it's close to that, and they get rid of 83,000, will that be harmful? You might assume yes. I'm here to say we don't know how many people we need. So if you go through and you want to make it more efficient, and you can get rid of 83,000 employees, save all that money, it's a ton of money, and still give really good, solid services to veterans, what's the problem? Just answer them with facts. Answer them with good quality questions like, how many employees should there be? Well, if they are going to cut any, how many should they cut? It's almost like the same about the money to Ukraine. Well, how much money would you like to send there? And how many American troops would you like to send there? And wait for an answer. And then maybe you'll get an even playing field where they're not just using talking points. They're actually having to answer real questions, quality questions from you. If this is helpful, again, make sure you follow. Definitely comment. Share this to everybody who's asking you these weird questions and make sure that you like it as well. Come on.